It's almost, yeah, I'm trying to find something here. Hang on.
Wait for it.
To wait. Okay.
So, Jaden, do you need a breathing treatment today?
Do you need a breathing treatment? You don't?
Yes. Can I have water?
Can you what?
Some of your water.
You want some of my water right now? Mom has some water.
You want to use this cup? Okay, you gotta be real careful.
Boom, 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 boom.
Is it delicious?
Give me your water.
What? I don't even know what you're saying.
What are you talking about, Jaden?
What's that?
This?
It's a phone.
My phone.
That.
I don't know what you're pointing to. You're my donkey?
No, that.
Aw.
Yes. Stuff in the drawer? No, that's not for you. You want it. It's chapstick.
What?
You want the chapstick?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
This piece. Oh, this.
Just peace. Thank you. Oh.
I don't know. What
Why
is
are you
it?
why are you putting chapstick on? What do you need
Show
chapstick
Daddy.
for?
Show Daddy your chapstick.
What?
What's my chapstick?
Oh, very cool. Why are you putting on chapstick?
Cowie's not a chapstick.
No, cow doesn't eat chapstick.
Yeah, cow doesn't
no
eat
chapstick for cow.
That donkey.
No, not that donkey either. Just Jaden.
It's not open.
Opened.
Smells good.
Does it smell good? Thank you.
Ugh.
What?
You can put some on Daddy?
Yeah.
I don't usually share my chapstick with him.
It's a family chapstick. Okay. So pretty.
Hey, Chuck.
Thank you. I appreciate
Daddy
that.
wants one.
Okay, you want to go wake him up? Yeah. No, we'll wait for him to wake up. Let's let him sleep. It's so peaceful.
Daddy makes mosquitoes.
What about the mosquitoes?
Here we go. Smash this.
Smash this. What?
This is yuck. This is going to be washed.
It needs to be washed.
Well, why'd you put it on backwards?
I got too many chopsticks.
Yeah, we do have too many chapsticks in this house because we have to keep some everywhere for you. So pretty.
Stop on. No, don't kick. That doesn't feel good. Can you put... Thank you.
Some more.
Mm-hmm.
Some
A little more.
more. Daddy.
A little more.
Oh, I need more. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Daddy's not doing it.
That's right.
Daddy.
Daddy is silly.
Am I silly, Jaden?
Oh, look at it's some sitting here.
Yeah, what about it?
It's just sitting here and there's just one.
What about... Oh. Thank you. Okay. I think I got enough. Okay. Okay.
Oh, Johnny's coughing.
Johnny is coughing.
Oh, Johnny needs breathing treatment.
Johnny needs a breathing treatment.
Oh,
There's the big man. Jaden needs a breathing treatment.
I don't want any more chapstick, please.
That's
Jaden, I
enough.
don't want
No
any
more chapstick. We've had enough.
Yeah, my lips are covered. So is the rest of my face.
My lips are sealed with
Why don't
chapstick.
you put the top on so I can put it away?
it's more.
You need some more.
I don't need more. Okay, enough. Okay, I think we're coated.
No.
I think we're good for the winter.
No more.
No more.
I can put it back.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I can.
Oh, goodness.
Sorry, Daddy.
It's okay. Thank you for saying sorry.
What's this? What's here?
Thank you, Jaden.
Oh, I get my tool.
You're gonna get your stool.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to. Oh, I need more.
No, you don't need more, babe. Jaden?
You don't need any more
No.
chapstick. You're clear. You
Sweetheart,
got plenty.
I said no. Put it back in the
Just tries to do it as quick as possible.